Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this drum cover of Love is Stronger Than Justice by Sting. I've been teaching this to a lot of my private students, so shout out to you, students, if you're watching. I've got a free PDF you can download by either commenting the word justice on this video if you're on Instagram or on YouTube. You can just click the link below in the description of the video. It's just a PDF that outlines the main drum grooves for the main sections within the song. So other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to go check out Scorpion Percussion Drumsticks, okay? They're the best. You can click my affiliate link in the description of this video as well. Best drumsticks, definitely check them out. I use the 5A model, 16-inch length with the ball tip. So go check them out. All right, catch you guys in the next video.